The Audi RS7 2024 embodies the perfect blend of breathtaking performance and luxurious comfort. It's a sportback designed to turn heads and dominate the road, offering an exhilarating driving experience for those who crave both speed and sophistication. Let's delve deeper into the details that make this Audi masterpiece a cut above the rest. Exterior design. A head-turning silhouette. The RS7 boasts a sculpted and aerodynamic design that exudes a sense of power and agility. The signature single-frame Audi grille takes center stage, flanked by sleek LED headlights with integrated laser technology for unmatched nighttime visibility. The sloping roofline merges seamlessly into the muscular haunches, creating a sportback silhouette that is both elegant and sporty. Uncompromising performance, where power meets precision. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that generates a staggering 621 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse propels the RS7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a heart-stopping 3.6 seconds, leaving most competitors in the dust. Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional handling and grip, allowing you to take on corners with confidence. An adaptive air suspension system further enhances the driving experience by automatically adjusting to road conditions and driver preferences. Technological marvel, a cockpit designed for control. The RS7's interior is a testament to Audi's commitment to cutting-edge technology and luxurious comfort. The driver-centric cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display a variety of performance data. A large central touchscreen controls the infotainment system, which includes navigation, a premium sound system, and a host of connectivity features. Key features. The RS7 boasts a high-tech interior with a customizable digital instrument cluster displaying everything from speed and navigation to performance data. A head-up display keeps your eyes on the road, while the advanced navigation system and premium sound system elevate your driving experience. Topping it all off, the Matrix LED headlights with laser technology provide exceptional nighttime visibility and a sleek lighting signature. Luxury defined. Comfort meets sophistication. Step inside the RS7, and you're greeted by a haven of luxury. The sport seats, upholstered in premium Valcona leather with diamond stitching, offer exceptional comfort and support. The spacious cabin provides ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Brushed aluminum accents and ambient lighting further elevate the interior's ambience. Safety features, a confidence-inspiring drive. For added safety and driver confidence, the RS7 boasts a suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking to prevent collisions, lane departure warning to keep you in your lane, adaptive cruise control for effortless highway driving, traffic sign recognition that displays important signs on the instrument cluster, and a 360-degree top-view camera system for stress-free parking and maneuvering. The Audi RS7 2024, a statement maker. The Audi RS7 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to German engineering prowess and a symbol of luxury and performance. With its breathtaking design, heart-pounding power, and technological advancements, the RS7 is a dream car for those who demand the best. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or cruising down the highway in style, the RS7 delivers an unforgettable driving experience. In conclusion, the Audi RS7 2024 is a masterpiece of engineering and design. It offers a thrilling combination of power, handling, technology, and luxury, making it a standout in the high-performance sportback segment. While the exact pricing may not be available yet, expect it to be a significant investment. But for those who appreciate the finer things in life and crave an exhilarating driving experience, the Audi RS7 is undoubtedly worth the splurge. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.